my vlog! Okay. For today's vlog, guys, I will be teaching you how are we going to multiply by 10, 100, or 1000. So, as you see here on the board, I have here several examples to use in discussing this topic. So, I'll be using this so that you will know on how are we going to multiply numbers with 10, 100, or 1000. So, guys, just watch and listen very well so that you will understand this lesson. Of course, I will give you technique. So, we'll solve these numbers mentally only. So, we will not solve these numbers using paper pen. Okay, so I will teach you on how are we going to solve these numbers mentally. That's why you have to watch and listen very well so that at the end of this video tutorial, you will learn a lot on the technique. Okay, so the first one that we'll solve is 49 times 10. So we're going to find the product of these two numbers by applying the technique that I will teach you. The technique here, guys, is just to multiply the non-zero digits. Just use the cancellation technique. Okay, so we have here 49 and 10. So as I mentioned earlier, that we'll just multiply the non-zero digits. And the non-zero digits here are the 49 and the 1. So as I mentioned earlier also, that we'll be applying the cancellation technique here. So we'll cancel the 0, and then let's multiply only these numbers. 49 times 1 equals 49. Okay, so there's a rule for number 1. Any number that will multiply by 1, it's always equal to that number or itself. So after multiplying that, sorry, we already, now the 0 that we canceled earlier, we're going to copy that to the right place or ones place of the number. So the ones place is here. So the 0 now is here. We just copy that 1. So the answer of 49 times 10 is now 490. This is the final answer. See? Very easy. So let's solve now letter B. Let's find the product of 60 and 10. So the same thing we'll do. We'll just cancel the zeros. Multiply only the non-zero digits. So cancel the 0, and then we're going to multiply now 6 times 1 equals 6. And then after that, we will now copy the zeros that we canceled a while ago. So we have here 0 and 0. So there are 2 zeros. So we'll write that here, 1, 2. So the answer is 600. So now let's proceed to number 2. Let's multiply these numbers, 83 times 100. So the same thing we'll do, you will cancel the zeros and multiply the non-zero digits. So 83 times 1 equals 83. And then after that, you copy the zeros that you canceled. Copy here. So the final answer is 8,300. Then letter B, we have here, well, let's find the product. That's very easy only. 900 times 100. So cancel all the zeros. Cancel. And then let's multiply the non-zero digits, which are the 9 and the 1. So 9 times 1 equals 9. And copy all the zeros that you canceled. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So you write here 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you will put comma here every after the 3 digits. So the answer is 90,000. Now we're done for 1 and 2. I have here problems in number 3. So we'll also find the products of these numbers. So very easy. Just do the same, the steps here in number 1 and number 2. So let's find the product of 38 and 1000. So cancel the zeros. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 zeros that you canceled. Multiply the non-zero digits. So 38 times 1 equals 38. So right there. And the zeros, you copy 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then you put comma every after of the 3 digits or every after the period. Okay? So the final answer of 38 times 1,000 is 38,000. Next one, the last number is 780 times 1,000. So let's find the product now. So cancel all the zeros. There. So you have 4 zeros you canceled. And then multiply the 78 and 1. The answer is 78. Now copy all the zeros that you canceled. There are 4 zeros there. So you write here 1, 2, 3, 4. So you put no comma in the 3 after every after of the 3 digits. So the final answer, guys, is 780,000. So now, guys, I'm done discussing here. I'm done teaching you. And how are we going to solve numbers? Multiplying by 10, 100, or 1,000. So I hope that all this one, the technique that I taught you now, remains in your mind. You will not forget this because this is very important. You will always use this all the time. You don't use a long method multiplication. What you'll do is you just solve this mentally. So just letting your mind compute the numbers. So that's all for today, guys. I hope that you learned a lot from this video tutorial. So thank you so much. Stay safe and healthy. Bye.